Haya basi. Shirikisho linaloshughulikia masuala ya ulaji muku ama kuzuia ulaji muku ama matumizi ya dawa za kutumia misuli hapa nchini Kenya, ADAK, limeanzisha shughuli moja pevu kabisa katika eneo la Nakuru, shule ya wasichana na wavulana ya Nakuru, na kuanzisha shughuli ambayo inaitwa kwamba Rausha Kipaji. Watambue wachezaji na waambie mapema wajue kwamba utumizi wa dawa hizi unaharibu maisha yao na unaharibu vizazi vijavyo, haswa wale ambao wana vipaji zaidi. Shughuli hii ilileta pamoja wanafunzi wengi zaidi walioshiriki, na hebu tusikize kuliendaje huko Nakuru.
In the previous editions that we've only had one category for girls. This year we are fortunate to be having 3 categories. So I will say, as we continue to grow, we will like to have an equality of the boys and the girls in terms of competition.
It's a position of Anti-Doping Agency of Kenya that clean sports information needs to start early, so that we provide the young athletes the right information to have the right virtue as a deterrence to engaging into doping. That's why we are here today, to give the right information to our young athletes, to our potential talents, so that when they reach there at high level, elite level, they have the right information and they have the right way on how to avoid engaging into doping. It is about virtues, values for sports, in which includes fairness, integrity, teamwork. You have to be determined and committed for you to win. So how do you navigate through the challenges of talent development? What are the areas that you need to avoid so that you don't fall in the wrong places?
So for me, it's a good thing as a parent that I'm contributing to nurturing our children's talent. And by coming here, by representing, by being present as they play, makes a big difference for these boys. And it really adds to their motivation as they're playing, and so that in future they have something they can fall back to. Oh, I am super excited. Our team has done so well. I am super proud of the team at the management at Silver Eagles, because we as parents can see how our children have really changed. In fact, I would speak for my son. I have seen a lot of progress in my son, because he wasn't a good player when he started, but right now it's been 1 year down the line and I can see progress.
Hi.